Okay, we're at Harris State Beach in Brookings, Oregon. This is one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever flown over. Just an incredible landscape with these rocky outcrops all along the beach. And then the cliffs along the left side and a few homes perched along the cliffs and the town of Brookings spreading off into the distance. Just a beautiful sight. As we turn around to the left here, the whole town of Brookings comes into view. The town of Brookings was established in 1913 by a guy named John Brookings. It was originally a logging and fishing village. In the 1920s, the town started farming lily bulbs. And the region still produces 95% of all the Easter lily bulbs grown in the world. Current population of Brookings is right around 7,000. And this was a sunset flight with the FPV drone, just a beautiful time of day to fly here. We spent a day walking around most of the town and we ate at a couple of the restaurants. Just a really beautiful, charming little town. There's all types of outdoor recreational activities to enjoy here. Great fishing in the area along with kayaking, canoeing, rafting along the local rivers. Just awesome place. And one of the gems of this area is Harris State Beach. The campground is adjacent to the beach and there's great hiking trails in every direction from there. There's hiking trails both along the cliffs as well as down at the beach where tide pools can be explored. Notice all the people along the beach here photographing the sunset. Now we'll fly the DJI Avata, a slower, more relaxing flight.
2 nights here. We got here last night, and we had to make reservations, which is a good thing because they didn't have anything available. It's pretty nice, and we got the sunniest spot in the whole place, which is kind of good because for the most part the weather's been somewhat cloudy and overcast. Right now it's picking up, and we're making another run down to the beach. So you ready to go, babe? Let's do it. This is Brookings, Oregon, and we're doing another walk. We've done about 10 miles of walking already, it seems like today. And this is what the coast looks like, quite stunningly beautiful. And we're going to head up here to the north a little bit more and see what we can find. There's some tide pools and all that. Here's another little view. And here is Arch Rock. I couldn't find that yesterday. It's